Dear viewers, today we are going to learn calculation by using Chinese student abacus. Okay, this kit is only used by students. In our previous video, we learned how to move beads on abacus, that is a teacher tool. Okay, I already show you how to move the beads and values of beads on abacus. Okay, today we are going to learn how to move the beads and simple addition and arranging single double digit numbers on abacus. Okay, let me see. This abacus kit is used for speed calculation, accuracy and concentration and improves students' logic sense. Okay, and try to practice for moving beads on abacus. Please use your forefinger and your thumb finger and keep the pencil or pen like this in between the forefinger and thumb finger. For moving the beads, you have to use your this thumb finger and forefinger. You have to move this. Okay, and simply this first rod shows ones place and second rod shows tens place and third rod usually it's a 100 place and 1000 and 10,000 it's going on. Okay, remember this first place rod, it is meant by ones and tens and 100 and 1000 and 10,000, and each rod has 5 beads, 4 beads at the lower level, lower side of this center rod. Okay, first you have to understand this arrangement of beads on abacus. I will explain this. And topmost one bead in each rod, which values 5. This value shows, each bead shows and it values 1. Okay, lower all beads values 1 and uppermost all beads values 5. So it depends upon this rod, it change into its values. Okay, let me know the numbers and values of this rod, and by using, you have to use your thumb finger and forefinger. First, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, now it shows 4, and for 5 you have to downward this bead and this is the 5. So how to show this 5? Please pull down all these 4 numbers down and this is 5. It values 5. So it now the abacus shows the number 5. Okay. Then next 6, 7, 8 and 9. So now the abacus shows the value 9. Okay, let me reply once again. Okay, first 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay children, do you understand? And 5 and 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, next this rod shows tens place. Okay, this rod shows tens place and each bead values 10. Okay, let me move, that is 10, okay, 20, okay, 30, 40, okay, and this values 50. Okay, similar to that of this ones place rod. Here this is 5 because 5 into 1 it is 5. Here 5, this place value is 10. So 5 into 10 it means 50. Do you understand this? So next 60, 70, 80 and 90. Okay. So now the abacus shows 9. Here no beads at all. So 9, 0, 90. Okay. Do you understand? And one more thing, any beads on the rod, it means 0 level on abacus. So every time you have to finish the sum and come back to the 0 level and make it sure this is the 0 level on abacus, and next you have to you will move on to the next sum. Okay, do you remember this? So that is no zero at all. Okay, for third column, that is the 100th place. Okay, this is 100th place. So for this, each bead values 1. Okay, each bead value 1. So it's a 100 value, that is 100, that is 100. So 100, 200, 300 and 400. Okay, and this shows 500 and 600, 700, 800 and 900. Okay, this is 900. Okay, so I will repeat once again for 100 place. For this, each bead values 1, but it is the 100 place. So 1 into 100, that is 100. So 100, 200, 300, 400. Okay, and this is 5 value, 5 into 100, that is 500. Now the abacus shows what, children? That is 500 and 600, 700, 800 and this is 900. Okay, we can understand. Okay, so ones, tens, 100 and this is meant 1000 place rod. So each bead similarly values 1 and each, that is into 100, that is 1 into, this is a 1000 column. So 1 into 1000, what's the number, children? This is 1000. Okay, 2000, 3000, 4000. Okay, and now it shows 5000 because this is a 5 value bead and ones, tens, 100, this is 1000 rod. So 1 into 1000, that means 1000. Okay, and this is a 5 value bead. So 5 into 1000, 5000. Okay, 6000, 7000, 8000 and this is 9000. Okay, so it shows 9000. Okay, next how to arrange the numbers on abacus beads. Okay, I have to write the numbers in paper and let me move the beads on abacus. Okay, first number, that is 9. Okay, and 5 and 3 and 2, 6, 8. Okay, all these number is a single digit number. Okay, first move the first number, that is, this is what? 2. Okay, 1, 2. Do you understand now? This is 2. Okay, and next number, that is 6. Okay, for 6 move this 5 value bead. Okay, so 5 plus 1, this is 6. Okay, and finally this is 8. Okay, for this, and you must remember, you should keep the 0 level abacus after finish every sum. Okay, should move this 0 level. Now this sum, that is 8. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Now the number is 8. Okay, and next we will move on to the next number, that is 9. For this, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now the abacus shows this number. What is this number? 9. Okay, and next number, that is 5. So how to move this? You have to move this 5 value bead in one's rod, children. So this is 5. Okay, and back to 0 level, and this is, what's this number? 3. So 1, 2, 3. So now the abacus shows the number 3. Okay, let me next to do 2-digit number. Okay, for this 20, 12, 15, 10, 16 and 19. So this is 2-digit number. Let me do all these numbers sort, that is 2-digit number. So we have to move beads on ones place rod and tens place rod. Do you understand? Okay, for this first, that is first ones place is a 0. So no need of moving the bead. Okay, and next, that is tens place rod. What is the number? 2. So move here 1 and 2. that is 20. Now the abacus shows 20, that is 20. Okay, and move back to the 0 level. What's the next number, children? This is 1, 2, 12. So you should move the number 2 on ones place rod. So you have to move this 1, 2. Okay, and this is a tens place number, that is move one beat 1. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2, that is 12. Okay, back to the 0 position, and now the number, this is 1, 5. Okay, 1. Okay, for this first you have to move this ones place rod. So 5, here 5. Move this number 5 value beat 5, and the tens place number, that is 1. Okay, for this 1, 5. Now the abacus shows what's the number, children? 1, 5, that is 15. Okay, let me move on to the next sum. So make it sure this is a 0 level. And what's the next number? 0, 1. Okay, for this ones place, that is 0. So no need to move the beat. And the next number, that is 1. Now the abacus shows 1, 0, that is 10. Okay, for next sum, that is 16. You have to move 6 beads in ones place and 1 bead in tens rod. So now that is 6. For this 5 plus 1, that is 6, and here tens place number, that is 1. So 1, 6, that is 16. Okay, and next sum, that is 19. Back to 0 level, and 1, 9. For this 9, you have to move this ones place rod. What's the number, children? 9. Okay, move this 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and for tens place, that is 1. Move this number 1. That is 1, 9, 19. Okay, do you understand? For movement of beads in ones place for single digit, and both these rod for 2-digit number. And let me move on to the third digit number. That is, what's the third place rod? This is ones, this is tens. What is this? 100. Okay, let me move for 3-digit number. Let me do for this number, we have to move. Okay, we are going to move 3 rod, that is ones, tens and 100 rod. Okay, let me do the first sum, that is 119. Okay, for this, for ones place, you have to move 9 beads. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. For this 9, and tens place, that is 1, and ones place, that is 1. Okay, now read the number, children. 1, 1, 9. That is 119. Okay, back to 0 level, and next move on to the number. What's this number? 3-digit number. Do you know this? 200. Okay, for this, here 0, tens place also 0. So no need to move beads ones and tens place. What's the third number? This is 2. So move 2 beads on 100 place. 1, 2. 2, 0, 0. That is 200. Okay, back to 0 level and arrange this number. For 8, you have to arrange beads on ones place. So 5, 6, 7, 8. And next number in tens place, that is 1, and 100 place, that is 1. Again 1, 1, 8. That is 118. Back to 0 level. Okay, and next the number, that is 6, 5, 1. Arrange it 6, 5, 1. That is 156. Okay, let me do the next sum. 1, 2, 6. Okay, for this 6, 2 and 1, that is 1, 2, 6, that is 126. Okay, and let me do the next sum, that is 103. For this 1, 2, 3, here 0 and 1. Okay, 1, no bead movement here because the tens place is 0, children. Listen here, and here 3, 103, 103. Okay, and next we move on to the fourth rod movement number. Okay, let me do 4-digit number, that is 1000. Okay, let me do 3-digit, 2-digit, single digit. So combination of all sums, that is 4-digit, okay, 3-digit, 2-digit and single digit number. Okay, the first number shows what? That is on first 3 rod, no movement of bead here. So no movement here, ones, tens and 100, and the last one is the 1. So now it shows 1000. This is the 1000 place rod. Now the number is, the abacus shows 1000. Okay, let me do next level, that is 1018. So first you have to arrange this 8, 1, 0 and 1. Okay, now 10, that is 18, 1018, that is 1018. Okay, and next we move on to the sum, that is 6001, that is 1006. Okay, back to the 0 level and do this sum, that is 9 and 9 and these also, that is 9. All the ones, tens, 100 place it has 9. So 999. And next number, that is a 2-digit number, it is 5 and 2, so 25. And the last number, that is 0, back to 0 and the last digit is 9. So you have to arrange this number, that is abacus now shows number 9. For speed and calculation, you have to practice more number and taken sums by your guide or tutors, and time limit also. You have to set your time for that is 50 sums or arrangement of 50 numbers on abacus within 20 minutes or 15 minutes or half an hour, depending upon your age level. And please ask your guide to promote your speed calculation and speed arrangement of your finger movement. So this improves your speed, accuracy and calculation in maths, and very much it is very useful to you. Okay, let me move on to the next, that is simple addition, single digit, 2-digit number in our next video.